Your TV is one of the most used and most expensive pieces of equipment in your home. And there's a very good chance you are doing at least one of the things on this list, things that quietly cut years off its lifespan. Stay until number 1. That one catches almost everybody. Number 9. Cleaning the screen with household products. This is one of the most common and most damaging mistakes TV owners make. Window cleaners, kitchen sprays, paper towels, and even regular cloth rags seem harmless, but they are not designed for TV screens. Ammonia, alcohol, and acetone-based cleaners strip the anti-reflective coating off the screen panel. That coating protects against glare and UV exposure. Once it is gone, the screen becomes permanently hazy, discolored in certain lighting, and more vulnerable to scratches. Paper towels and rough cloths scratch the surface at a microscopic level, and over time, those scratches accumulate and become visible. Use only a dry or slightly damp microfiber cloth. If you need more cleaning power, use a product specifically labeled safe for TV screens. Wipe in a gentle circular motion and never press hard against the panel. Number 8. Blocking the ventilation slots. Every TV has ventilation slots on the back and sides, and most TV owners never think about them. These slots exist specifically to let hot air escape from the internal components. When they are blocked, heat builds up inside the unit. Modern TVs have thermal protection that shuts them off when internal temperatures get too high, but repeated heat cycling damages capacitors, chips, and the power supply board over time. A TV that runs consistently hot will fail years before it should. Never mount your TV flush against a wall with no gap. Never place it inside a closed cabinet without airflow. Ensure at least 2 to 3 inches of clearance around the back and sides. Periodically use compressed air to blow dust out of the vents. Dust is one of the most common causes of restricted airflow in older TVs. Number 7. Leaving a paused or static image on screen for hours. Walking away from a paused movie, leaving a game menu sitting idle, or falling asleep with a news channel running, these habits put static high-brightness pixels in the same position for extended periods. For OLED TVs, this causes burn-in, where permanently displayed elements like channel logos, game health bars, or UI overlays, where the corresponding pixels faster than the rest of the panel, leaving a ghost image that never fully goes away. Even on LED and QLED TVs, leaving the backlight on maximum with a static image for hours adds unnecessary wear. Enable your TV screensaver or sleep timer and set it to activate after 30 minutes of inactivity. Number 6. Placing the TV in direct sunlight. Direct sunlight on a TV screen does 3 separate types of damage simultaneously. UV rays degrade the screen protective coatings over time. The heat from sunlight drives up the internal temperature of the TV during normal use. And ambient glare reduces picture visibility, which leads people to crank the brightness higher, which accelerates panel wear even further. Keep your TV positioned away from windows that receive direct afternoon sun. Use blackout curtains or blinds if your room gets intense natural light. A TV placed in direct sun for years will fade, discolor, and fail significantly earlier than one placed in a controlled environment. Number 5. Using no-surge protection. Plugging your TV directly into a wall outlet or into a cheap power strip without genuine surge protection is a risk that catches people off guard when it matters most. A power surge from a lightning strike, a grid fluctuation, or even a large appliance cycling on can send a spike of voltage through your outlet in a fraction of a second. That spike can damage or destroy the power supply board inside the TV instantly with no warning. A quality surge protector is a $10 to $30 investment that stands between your TV and that voltage spike. Look for one with a Joule rating above 1000. It is one of the cheapest and most effective ways to protect an expensive piece of equipment. Number 4. Mounting on an unstable surface or incorrectly. A TV that is not properly secured is a disaster waiting to happen. An unstable TV stand, a wall mount not anchored to studs, or a surface that cannot support the TV weight are all genuine physical risks. A fall from any height can shatter an LCD or OLED panel, and panel repairs almost always cost more than the TV itself is worth. Always wall mount using hardware rated for your TV weight and anchored directly into wall studs. If using a stand, ensure the base is wider than the TV and the surface it sits on is stable and flat. Number 3. Running maximum brightness 24 hours a day. Leaving the TV in vivid or dynamic mode at full brightness and never adjusting it is the settings level equivalent of running an engine at redline constantly. Every panel technology degrades with brightness over time. OLED faster than LED, but no display is immune. Switch your TV to cinema or filmmaker mode for everyday viewing. Reduce the backlight level to something comfortable rather than blinding. Your eyes will adjust within minutes, the picture will look more accurate, and your panel will maintain its performance for significantly longer. Number 2. Laying the TV flat when moving it. This one surprises people. Flat-screen TVs are designed to be transported upright. The panel inside is fragile and unsupported when laid flat, and the glass or plastic on the screen can flex and crack under the pressure of its own weight when horizontal. When transporting your TV, always keep it in a vertical or near vertical orientation. Use the original box if you still have it, if you do not stand it upright in your vehicle, and secure it so it cannot tip or shift during transport. Number 1. Never updating the firmware. TV manufacturers release software updates that fix bugs, patch security vulnerabilities, improve streaming app performance, and optimize how the panel handles image processing and power management. A TV running outdated firmware is running a less efficient and less protected version of every system inside it. Many of these updates specifically address heat management, panel protection cycles, and HDR processing accuracy. Skipping them means your TV is working harder than it needs to and wearing faster as a result. Go to Settings, find Support or About, and check for updates. Turn on automatic updates if available. It takes 2 minutes, and it is one of the most impactful maintenance steps you can take to extend the full life of your TV.